Hi guys, my name is Rituparna and welcome to my channel. I'm a travel and lifestyle vlogger and for my first YouTube video, I'm at Bir. I'm sure Bir doesn't need any kind of introduction to you guys. It's one of Asia's highest paragliding. So yesterday in Bir, we explored all the monasteries. When you come to Bir, you'll find a number of monasteries here, starting from Chokling to Sering to Sherbaling. But due to the current COVID situation, all the monasteries are closed. As in the entry for tourists is closed, the monasteries are operational. So there are prayers and everything going on. We were not aware of that fact, so we just explored the monasteries from outside, and honestly I'm kind of regretting it because all the monasteries are so beautiful. It's worth an experience. Also Sherbaling, which is around 7 kilometers away from where I'm staying, is one of the biggest and one of the most prettiest monasteries here, but unfortunately we can't go there. So for now, let's go and go to Billing, go for paragliding. I'm kind of shivering inside and let's see how the experience is. देखते हैं आसमान की ऊंचाई में आज क्या मिलता है. So guys, I'm back from my paragliding experience and I have to say, you have just seen the video. The views are amazing. It was such an amazing experience. I'm short of words, so you guys have to definitely do paragliding when you're here in Beer. It's my last day in Beer. Honestly, I don't feel like leaving this place. The past 2 days were amazing. This is one place you should come if you truly want to unwind and relax and just not do anything in particular. You can go for hikes, you can just sit at the landing site, enjoy the sunsets. This place has a different charm of its own. I hope you guys like this video, especially my paragliding experience. That was one thing which I'm going to take away from here, which is so close to my heart. Please hit the like button if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and share this with your friends. And I hope you guys plan a trip to Beer very soon. And yeah, signing off here. Bye.